From driverless cars and drone deliveries to empty offices and robot assembly lines, AI and automation is changing our workforce as we know it. So what does the future of the job market look like? Welcome to our new channel, AI Versus, where we explore the impacts of artificial intelligence and the future of society. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of automation and job displacement. Get ready for an eye-opening exploration of how AI and automation are reshaping the job market and uncovering strategies for individuals to not only adapt, but thrive in this brave new AI-driven economy. A recent report by Goldman Sachs laid out some stark possibilities when it comes to AI and the economy. The report estimates 2/3 of jobs in the US and Europe, and around 300 million positions worldwide could be exposed to automation. From new AI advances, automation and AI have become buzzwords of the digital age, and their impact on the job market is undeniable. From manufacturing to customer service, AI and automation are revolutionizing industries, creating both opportunities and challenges for workers. For instance, manufacturing is at the forefront of automation, with robots taking over repetitive and routine tasks. BMW uses AI-powered computer vision systems to inspect car bodies during the manufacturing process. These systems detect defects with high accuracy and speed, ensuring consistent quality control and minimizing production errors. Many companies use AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants to handle customer inquiries and provide instant support. These chatbots can understand natural language, answer frequently asked questions, and assist with basic troubleshooting, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex customer needs. The rise of autonomous vehicles and advancements in self-driving technology may eventually impact jobs that involve driving. Tesla's Autopilot and Waymo, owned by Google, are paving the way in autonomous vehicle technology. As self-driving technology advances, there may be a shift towards autonomous trucks and taxis, reducing the need for human drivers. It's not all doom and gloom. While automation might displace certain jobs, it also paves the way for new and exciting opportunities. Some roles that require human skills, such as creativity, critical thinking, complex problem-solving, and emotional intelligence, are less susceptible to automation. Professions like strategic planning, healthcare, and higher-level management require unique human qualities that machines cannot replicate. To adapt and thrive in this AI-driven economy, individuals need to embrace lifelong learning and continuous skill development. It's essential to stay ahead of the curve by acquiring new competencies that complement the capabilities of AI and automation. So next time you're filling out a job application, ask yourself, how will this job fare in the long run? In-demand skills in an AI-driven economy include data analysis, artificial intelligence programming, cybersecurity, and prompt engineering. These fields are constantly evolving and provide individuals with a competitive edge in a job market undergoing rapid transformation. Additionally, fostering adaptability and embracing technological literacy is crucial. Professionals should seek to upskill, gaining expertise in areas that intersect with AI, such as AI ethics, AI project management, and AI strategy consulting. Put it this way, prompt engineers can earn over $100,000 for basically just feeding AI software words and phrases. Alternatively, reskilling to specialize in trade that AI can't replicate, such as construction and teaching, will also foster job security. It's also important for policymakers and businesses to address the challenges of job displacement caused by automation. Implementing supportive policies, offering retraining programs, and encouraging a culture of innovation and collaboration between humans and machines can help mitigate the negative effects of automation on the workforce. That wraps up our deep dive into automation and job displacement. Remember, while AI and automation may transform the job market, they also present incredible opportunities for growth and innovation. By adapting, upskilling, and embracing the human qualities that make us unique, we can thrive in this AI-driven world. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things AI. Together, let's navigate the future of work with open AI. Open arms. Thanks for watching.